So you just saw some quick shots of me doing a drone survey on a roof, and I guess the question is, why do we do that? Well, we had an experience down in Etwall, not far from here, where after we finished work, we found a whole load of mortar on the roof outside where we've been working. So I had to take pictures of it to show the owner, but was worried that he thought we might have done it. But then if I hadn't taken the pictures, he definitely would have thought we'd done it. So I showed him these pictures of all this mortar that came out of his ridge on the roof, and he said, "Thank you so much for telling me. All the houses along Old Station Place have been having a similar problem." He then used our scaffold to replace all his ridge mortaring with a dry roof system, so he hasn't got a problem in the future. So what we do is we take the drone photos so that we've got a clear starting base, so we know what the state of the roof before we start, but also if there's anything we can see in the pictures that needs fixing, we can do it while we're there, and just make sure that you get absolute quality install. Cheers.